Welcome to Pride Marine Group. I'm Kevin Marinelli from Pride. I'd love to show you the Sea Ray SDX line. We're going to start off with this beautiful 25. It comes with a stone gray interior and a beautiful black hull side. It's very, very well appointed. And here's its little sister, a blue hull, tan with a dune tan interior. They're both beautiful boats. I'm going to show you what the difference is and the little bit nicer 25 because it's just on for a little bit more space. But you can see there's a couple of options, colors. You can make it whichever way you like. This one comes with the beautiful sea deck in gray. Before you can get on the boat, if you're jumping on and getting ready to go boating, we open the back cushion here. You've got battery switches down below that we can turn on and off. So when you're leaving the boat, I would turn the switches off. So you turn off all the power, and that way you don't come back with a dead battery. We do have a battery charger on board. Actually, we've got this boat plugged in right now just to make sure that she stays fully charged for whenever we have customers coming in to see it. Inside, we do have a switch as well that will power my tower. You can see my tower go up and down. If we had to get into a boathouse or a garage at the end of the day, we can power that off and lower the canvas. As we take a look at this one platform, it has an optional step that steps down, which is great for when you're out with younger kids or if you've got a dog, you just want to sit with your feet dangling in the water. You have to be in deeper water for that because the drive has to be down. If the drive's up, the platform will not go down, just so you know. Now, as we walk on the boat, I love the Sea Ray. We've got a hatch as soon as we come on. It's great for wet blinds. I use it for all their shoes. As soon as people come on the boat, your shoes go no further than the back of the platform. Please come aboard. If you take a look, we've got this set up as a sun pad right now. We have a headrest. If you'd like, flip that up, and now we're facing forward for when we're going to go boating. So lots of different places and lots of places to sit and enjoy. If you're back here, you have a stereo system. There's a flag pole if you want to fly a wonderful Canadian flag. You'd be proud, a proud Canadian. The canvas on the SDX comes very far aft. It's not a little bit shorter. It gives you a lot of shade and a lot of protection from the sun. You can fold it up, put it in a boot, and actually strap to the tower so you have lots of daylight if you'd like and sunlight. So I do apologize. It will be a little bit darker in here because we're in a showroom. Come aboard. We'll take a look at the tables and the seating. You notice that everything's nice and comfortable. There's lots of leg room. There's grab handles all throughout. And that's to make sure we're all safe and comfortable. And you're going to notice how high it is on my back. The depth of this seat, there's air to breathe behind us so you don't get sweaty and sick into the seats. It's a beautiful design and a nice layout. Now, as our companion seat right now, it's facing forward. If we're in rougher water, you want to be facing forward so you have that back support on your spine. When we're lounging and entertaining, this seat will slide so you can lounge aft and watch the skiers. You can sit here and be caught in the corner, and we can fit comfortably speaking 6 people back here, maybe 7. And with doing so, there's a little latch under this one. This slides forward, so now we have seating this direction as well. Lots of storage under the seats, and it's very, very deep and cavernous. That's all the canvas covers. There's easy access to the engine. This one comes with a 6.2 Merc Cruiser, 350 horsepower. There's actually a positive latch just on the side here. And that's the access to our engine room. So again, very easy to get in. And I apologize, this one actually has a 300 horsepower in it, which is more than enough. It's still a 6.2, and that's a digital throttle and shift engine, a DTS engine. So when you come up to the helm, you've got the dual 9-inch Simrad screens. It has optional trim tabs with indicators. The digital throttle and shift that I mentioned. There's a thigh rise as well. This one has the upgraded stereo system. It's got the different convenience packages, the water package. So you've got the dock sprayer that's transom at the bow. You've got a head with a vacuum flush toilet, which is very nice. And the filler cushion for down below. Your Fusion stereo head. And then up front, an abundance of singing and storage. Another optional table that you can put up. But look at the space that you have. Boarding getting on and off. You've got the non-skid on either side of the windshield. Again, it's high on your back, and you've got grab handles throughout. So it's very safe and a wonderful boat to be out on the water. Stop by Pride, take a look. We'd love to show you through the two different boats.